So, like after doing CAPM, and when it will be highlighted on my resume, so like, is there any chance like I can get a job, like
Uh,
starting job in project man?
there is definitely a chance, but what I tell
Yeah,
a lot of people is that CAPM or any certification or any, even our college degrees for that matter, they are
correct.
not tickets to a job
Uh,
basically. Yeah.
mm,
What happens is in government jobs, you have these entrance exams and you pass that exam and then you're eligible for that government role, job role, and all that. CAPM is not like that. It will just be on your resume. It will just highlight that you know the global project management language. You know, you've studied project management and you can speak about project management and you can work in an environment where projects need to be managed. That's it. When it comes to the job, it totally depends on how you perform in the interview. It totally depends on the kind of person
mm,
the company is looking for, right? So,
yeah, correct,
but
correct.
where
This is true.
CAPM is going to help you is to be able to answer some questions in your job interview. That's one thing. And secondly, it is going to be a differentiator for you against others who do not have a certification and are still looking for that kind of role. So that's where CAPM is going to help you. But like I said, don't expect it to be a ticket that I have CAPM now. Somebody is going to come to my
Yeah.
home and say, "Hey, please join my office tomorrow."